Hello kids, I have empty puzzle with the basket filled with letters. So we have to put all the letters in the empty puzzle. So let's start. So first we will take letter A. A for apple. After letter A, this is letter B. B for ball. What comes after B? Here is letter C. This is letter C. C for cat. What comes after C? Letter D. D for dog. After D, let's take letter E. E for elephant. What comes after E? Letter F. F for fish. What comes after F? Letter G. G for grapes. What comes after G? Letter H. H for hen. What comes after H? Yes, letter I. I for ink. What comes after I? Where is letter J? This is letter J. J for joker. What comes after J? Where is letter K? This is letter K. K for kite. So after K, what comes after K? Letter L. This is letter L. L for lion. What comes after L? Let's see where is letter M. This is letter M. M for mango. Now let's search for letter N. This is letter N. N for nest. What comes after N? Let's search for letter O. This is letter O. O for owl. After O, what comes after O? Letter P. P for parrot. So we completed the task till letter P. What comes after P? Letter Q. This is letter Q. Q for queen. What comes after Q? Letter R. This is letter R. R for rabbit. What comes after R? Yes, Letter S. This is letter S. S for ship. After S, this is letter T. T for tiger. So after T, let's see where is letter U. Here we can see letter U. This is letter U. U for umbrella. Now after U, let's see where is letter V. This is letter V. V for violin. After V, this is letter W. W for watch. What comes after W? Letter X. Here we can see letter X. This is letter X. X for Xmas tree. Now it comes to letter Y. This is letter Y. Y for yak. Now the last one is left. That is letter Z. Here we can see letter Z. Z for zebra. Congratulations! We have completed our puzzle. And now the basket is empty.